Welcome to Adulting Without Supervision, where today we're going to unbox and set up the Eufy RoboVac 25C. So to start things off, we're going to go ahead and pop it out of the box, which is surprisingly easy compared to the way that they had it at the store. I mean, they had the spider strap security little system on there, plus they had another small little hook that attached it to the shelf. So it was going nowhere without somebody from the store unlocking it. I mean, don't get me wrong, the store can do what they want. I just thought, why not just put it behind glass if you're going to put all that effort in? Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and do some prep here. We're going to take these foam inserts out that were protecting the bumper while it was in the packaging. I'm also going to show you real quick how to empty your dustpan. After putting your thumb in the hole, you're going to press down and slowly pull the container out. When you first open it up, you're going to see a screen that is there to protect your replaceable filter. And when you flip it over, all you have to do is open the little latch to get to the rest of the filter. And it does come with one replacement. And you will notice this screen does not want to come out. So far, I've just been using a vacuum cleaner to clean this, but I think you might be able to actually wash it if you can get it separated from the container. I don't know why these brushes didn't come pre-installed, but at least they give you a second set for later on when it is time to replace them. And they are pretty easy to pop in, it's just getting them lined up that takes a second. The only reason this sticker is here is to remind you to turn it on before you start setting things up with the app. Now to pick the spot. I chose my bedroom because my wife is not too excited about this yet, hoping to change her mind eventually. But be warned, the lights on this thing are bright at night. I have had to cover it a few times. You are going to want to put the base somewhere where it has space to pull out and go back in when it's done. And the base must be against the wall, otherwise it's going to push it around everywhere. Okay, so this is where we're going to set up the app. If you feel comfortable with setting up the app and you don't need any help, skip this part. But if you would like some help, then I try to get as many screenshots as possible to illustrate what you're going to be looking at. If you see a white box, that's just some of my personal information that I cut out. The buttons that you are going to want to tap on will be enclosed in blue. Let's see what we got. Holy crap, that is a lot of dust. And I'm genuinely surprised how much it picked up. I didn't think it was going to pick up that much. I didn't think it was that powerful. And that was on the low setting. It has a pretty good speed, too. And yes, I am using the remote. The reason being the app is on my phone, and I need my phone to record. But because of that, I did find out you have to hover over this thing with the remote versus being able to use the app wherever you're at in the house. This is the only real trouble spot that I'm having, and it's because after it goes over the lip, it gets stuck underneath the chair. Sometimes it can work itself out, sometimes I have to help it. If you were wondering why it was so loud, that is its strongest setting, and this was the cheapest that I could find it. Well, that's it for this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, or you would like to see something specific, please let us know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.